Hello, everyone, and welcome again to another Teacher Joseph podcast. Well, today we're going to go over some words which I want you to imitate. Now, these words all come from the Anti-Moon website. I've mentioned this website to you many times before. They have a list of all of the sounds of English. So I'm going to say these words and I want you to try to repeat them. All right. Remember, you can always go to the Anti-Moon website at antimoon.com. But if you put into Google Anti-Moon sounds of English, it'll take you directly to the table where this chart is. So let's do these words. Okay. So first of all, we'll do the vowel sounds. Cup, lock, arm, father, cat, black, met, bed, away, cinema, turn, learn, hit, sitting, see, heat, hot, rock, call, for, put, could, blue, food, 5, I, now, out, say, 8, go, home, boy, join, where, air, near, here, pure, tourist. Right, so these are all the vowel sounds of English. There aren't any others. So when you're shadowing, these are the sounds that you're going to encounter. So this chart is very handy just for going over these. So let's just do the consonants. Bad, lab, did, lady, find, if, give, flag, how, hello, yes, yellow, cat, back, leg, little, man, lemon, no, 10, sing, finger, pet, map, red, try, sun, miss, she, crash, tea, getting, check, church, think, both, this, mother, voice, 5, wet, window, zoo, lazy, pleasure, vision, just, large. So these are all of the sounds of English. And if you're shadowing or listening to someone talking, you should always be hearing one of these sounds, of course, one or more. We do have a lot of regional accents around the UK, and you can find many different types of sounds, but these ones are for the standard London area, and they are more or less received pronunciation, as you may have heard it before. So it's good to be copying those. Remember the Anti-Moon website. Just put into Google Anti-Moon pronunciation guide or pronunciation chart, Anti-Moon sounds of English, and you'll see there what I've just read. So I want you just to keep going over that. And that's it. So very nice, very nice. The secret of speaking better is always going to be copying somebody else. Sounds a little bit trashy and superficial, but that's where we start before it sinks in to our consciousness. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Just to wish you all a happy Easter as well. The Easter days are Holy Thursday, Good Friday, Holy Saturday, and then Easter Sunday. Largely a secular festival in the UK now, but still with very deep religious significance. And that's it from me for today. So I hope you've enjoyed this. See you all soon. Bye.